Hi guys, today we highlight the all-new X3. Let's go! Welcome back to another episode of RE Cars. If you're watching so far, please give me a like, a share, a subscribe so we can grow this channel organically. I haven't done a drive in a while, so I was like, let me make another video that I'm driving the car. This is the all-new 2026 BMW X3. Now, what do I like about this car? Number one, that it's all-wheel drive. It's an X-Drive. They're not making S-Drive anymore. Number two, they all come with a spare tire. People generally like the fact that the car has a spare tire now. Even though you do get 4 years free roadside assist. And I like the general iDrive layout of the car. Lastly, you guys, what I really like about this car is the ambient lighting. Although it sounds like kind of tacky to say, but I love the ambient lighting. I think we're finally going the right direction on these cars with the ambient lighting. You know, customers always tell me, hey Ari, we want more lighting, kind of make it more like a Mercedes. Now, what don't I like about this car? Number one, the door handle. It feels plasticky, it feels cheap, it feels finicky. I wish they would have the old BMW door handles on it again. The second thing I don't like about this car, although it's growing on me, is the overall design of the X3. The old X3 had more lines and it kind of looked more chiseled. This one is rounder, softer, kind of more like an egg shape. It's kind of controversial. We do have customers complaining about it, but I feel like as you know, time has gone by, it has grown on people. And the power is good too on a 4-banger twin turbo car. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, a share, a subscribe, and thank you so much. Let's put this bad boy in sport mode. Oh yeah! It got some kick to it. There's a lot of cars around, so I can't do what I usually do. But it's still fun.